You gotta know, I want you to be my secret.
Carmelo left?
Hey man, how y'all doing, bro? Get your boy Boogie back.
Carmelo on the thingy now?
Oh. Fuck. This the updated version?
I shut the game on.
Yeah.
So, yeah, my boy at the camera, man. My boy Sean Boogie. Shout out to bro. Feel me? Make sure y'all go subscribe to my YouTube channel too. I just made one. Hold on.
Two minutes ago?
Nah, I made it for a minute ago. I'm about to show him. And shit.
Bro, y'all saw my other vlog, bro?
What happened?
Vlogs? This why I love college.
My channel is this Nate Don't Hate, man. I got like, feel me? Hold on. Phone gotta focus.
Shit flat.
Well, I just right there.
Wow.
Nate Don't Hate, that's it. Feel me?
The game is acting stupid.
Nate Don't Hate. So go subscribe to my channel.
I think
No,
you
no.
messed up my game.
Feel me?
The dude who's throwing the leggies, like he'll just throw your bags.
But
Why would you bring your game?
that's what I got to see. I ain't got to see too much, you know, a lot. Shit.
Do you watch the news?
What are you talking about?
You said, do I watch the news?
Yes.
What's wrong with the news?
I'm just saying,
What
like,
does the news tell you about the game, Boogie?
nothing about
They're gonna take the game back home.
nothing about the game. I'm just saying, like, do you watch the news? Not once did it say it's gonna hit.
Hey, bro, I fuck with Lil T-Shirt.
Not once.
He fuck with Lil T-Shirt.
It's gonna. But Wilmington, bro, like they giving my city that name.
Hey, go fuck with Lil T-Shirt,
Hey, Jensen, you
man.
fuck with Lil TJ?
Yeah.
Nah, he be saying odd kinda. Yo, he swore on. He swore on. He like, yo, this dude odd. Every song he make, same thing.
You fuck with him. Why you don't feel now? I'm gonna kill son.
Bro, I cannot wait for homecoming now, bro.
Why you can't wait for homecoming?
Bro, so many interviews I'm gonna do, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real, bro.
Why you don't feel now? I'm gonna kill son.
Bro, I gotta put y'all on something new, bro.
Why you not about to do
Young, I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name right, but Young Boy Ace or something like that. He cut all his hair off his phone. Huh? Yeah, or something like that. Y'all had it again.
Body drop all the time, I don't feel nothing. Swear to God, you gon' make me go kill something. Trust with no mercy or chill, boy.
I've been your man, I don't feel now.
I really need a
Bro.
should have never told the nigga to tell you shit. Bro.
I was in the same thing, believe me. Ain't no lobby, she in the losing. I can feel the movement is confusing. I can't wait to get used to this lifestyle.
You're going to take the whole
But you see me and scream
airport
little
down.
TJ. Had to fuck up the spot for my B-Day. In the color, you best be a PJ. Fuck this love, I don't want me a skeezy. Give her this bitch, she feel like she need me. I'm 2 hours from little G.
Big bang, I mean everything wavy.
I got 99 problems like Jay-Z. For the felony, just try to slay me. That's my grandmother, RP baby. I got money and niggas move shady. With my brother, I put that on baby. My response,
Wow.
I'm a Mercedes.
Oh, my bad.
Body drop all the time, I don't feel nothing. So nigga, you gon' make me go kill something. So much with no mercy and chill, but I done been through so much, I don't feel nothing. I was done up there judging me.
Boogie,
Look,
you
bro.
got the game. Boogie got a game for real?
Yeah, I got a game, bro.
You got basketball, bro?
I got basketball, football, COD.
Which one? Cause I want to know. You got an Xbox.
I already told you all my games.
You want me to bring my game?
I mean, it's not with me. It's not with me, bro. But I know how to hook it up though.
Hook what up?
Huh?
Hook what up?
Hook the Xbox up, bro. I thought that's
Bro,
what
my shit is acting dumb. I'm like, do you have an Xbox in your room?
No, I don't, bro. You should have said that from the jump.
You're just playing these games with me. He's playing these games.
So I'm sorry for you and your Xbox, bro.
Yes, yo, this shit cruising.
Yeah, bro.
Microsoft just be wanting you to buy your new shit.
You should have got a white one. It's too much black, bro. Like you and the.
That's why.
Yeah, bro.
Think about bang on the work pussy?
Nah, bro. You don't need to. No, bro. No. You just.
Watch this. It's gonna work now. Cause Microsoft be on that shit. I love you.
Now you going.
Look, now
This man.
now no work, nothing going on. Easy as cake.
You sure?
Yeah, easy as pop. See?
Hey, bro. Shut up, man. I don't know what I want to do with my hair yet, bro.
See? You just punch it a couple times. It works. If it turns out.
So is that Cedric talking or Sicko talking?
That was Sicko punching me.
Oh, Sicko punching. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Sicko punching.
I got out of control. Yeah, this shit really working, man.
Deep dives, nice strips in the big club.
He's taking it, bro. Keep going like this.
Talk that shit. Yeah, baby, stop. Stop yourself.
Maybe I just don't get it.
Slow down, you gotta slow down.
I'm taking you on.
You're about to go back like that. You gotta slow down and go hard.
Move up a little bit.
Get that shit. Get that shit up. Get that shit up. Hey. Oh. Hey. Get it up. Bud. Get it up. Yeah. Oh, shit. What are you doing?
Hey, come on,
Keep trying bad. Oh,
So you keep it on the low. Nobody gotta know. I want you to be my secret. If you ain't about that murder game,
I say it's the chorus right here. Okay, let's get it. Bands, rock rubber bands. Bands, rock rubber bands. I did with my man. Shoot you in your hands. Like Odell, bitch, I got hands. And by hands, I hit you with a. I said, rubber band. I go super sand. Shoot y'all.
We don't put some respect on my name. Real, man. Word, man. Don't bang with you. We don't put some respect on my name. Real, man. Word, man.
Hey, another one.
I said, first of all, Rich Gang. You wanna bang with us? Don't bang with you.
make a drink if you like. You the baddest of the baddest I done seen all night. It's only right I make sure you good. Just relax a little bit.